Hey, quick question. Is your software agency starving for leads? If you're nodding, you're not alone. Most software agencies struggle with consistent lead generation. But what if I told you the solution is already at your fingertips? I'm Kyle, founder of Contenter. 2 years ago, I was writing blog posts for another company. Now I am running an SEO agency helping software development teams fill their pipelines. Today, I'm sharing our complete 2025 SEO roadmap, the exact strategy that's generating leads for our clients. Why focus on SEO? Simple math. The average software project is around $50,000, while a converted SEO lead is nearly zero acquisition cost. While our competitors burn on cash, you could be building an asset that pays dividends for years. Let's break down our Dev Authority framework tested with dozens of software development agencies. Step 1. Strategic keyword selection. Forget high volume keywords. They're a fucking trap. Why? Because high volume usually means low intent. Sure, thousands of people search for software development each month, but how many are ready to hire you? Very few. Instead, focus on these three keyword categories. First, problem aware keywords. This target prospects who knew they have a problem but aren't sure about solutions. For example, custom software development challenges or how to modernize legacy applications. These keywords show someone is struggling with something your agency can solve. They're earlier in the buyer journey but highly receptive to your expertise. Next is software aware keywords. These targets prospects who understand potential solutions but need guidance on choosing the right one. For example, nearshore development pros and cons or microservices versus monolithic architecture. These searchers are evaluating options and seeking expert advice. Perfect for positioning your company as a trusted advisor. Next is product aware keywords. This target prospects ready to make a purchase decision. Example, React.js developers for fintech or hire Node.js development team. These prospects have their wallet out, they're ready to buy, they need fewer educational resources and more validation of your capabilities. Our research shows that problem aware content converts at around 4x the rate of generic terms because you're meeting prospects exactly where they are in their journey. When I first started writing for a tech company, we switched from targeting software solutions to legacy system migration headaches and saw our lead quality skyrocket overnight. The volume was lower, but the quality was dramatically higher. Step 2. Content architecture. Where's content architecture? Alright. Content architecture. So, wait, let me put my face in here. There you go. Content architecture. Most agencies create random blog posts. Winners build content ecosystems. What's the difference? Random posts compete with each other and confuse Google about your expertise. A content ecosystem, on the other hand, creates a structured web of information that establishes clear topical authority. Here's the structure that works. Pillar pages covering core services, that is around 5 to 7 pages. These are comprehensive, in-depth resources about your main service offerings. For a software agency, this might include custom software development, application modernization, and DevOps implementation. Each pillar page should be at least 2,500 words, thoroughly covering the topic. They're your flagship content pieces that demonstrate the full breadth of your knowledge. Next is supporting cluster articles, 8 to 12 per pillar. This targets related long-tail keywords that that links back to your pillar page. For example, for a custom software development pillar, clusters might include software requirement gathering process, choosing the right development methodology, and how to budget custom software. These articles give you broader topical coverage and create a stronger internal linking structure that boosts your SEO authority. Next is resource validation. That is around 1 to 2 per cluster. These are downloadable resources like templates, checklists, or guides that provide tangible value and capture leads. For example, custom software RFP template, the templates and guides. This isn't just my opinion. Data shows that this approach increases time on site by 67% because visitors naturally follow from one relevant piece to another. Each piece should include a strategic CTAs guiding visitors to the next logical step. Not contact us, that's too soon. Try download our developer assessment framework instead. This nurtures prospects toward a decision rather than forcing an immediate choice. Next is technical foundation. This is basic SEO. So technical as foundation is this is the most basic, but this is where most agencies fail. Your developers might be amazing at building software, but SEO requires different skills. Technical SEO is the foundation everything else builds upon. 6 technical elements you must get right. First is page speed, which is supposed to be under 2 seconds. Google explicitly uses page speed as a ranking factor, and visitors abandon slow sites. Your development background should be at an advantage here. Optimize images, optimize their sizes, leverage browser caching, and minimize HTTP requests. Next is mobile optimization. Over 60% of searches now happens on mobile devices. Your site must be responsive with text that is readable without zooming in and tap targets properly spaced. Scheme markup for software services. This structured data helps search engines understand what your business offers. Use organizations, struct service, and FAQ page schemas at minimum to enhance your search results with rich snippets. Internal linking structure. Links are the highways of Google that they use to discover and understand your site. Create a deliberate structure where related content links to each other, with your most important pages receiving the most internal links. Next is content hierarchy using a proper HTML. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags correctly to communicate the importance of different sections. Each page should have exactly one H1 tag with subsections properly nested under H2s and H3s. Next is Core Web Vitals optimization. These metrics measure loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Focus on largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift to improve user experience and rankings. We've seen rankings jump 37 positions by fixing these technical elements alone. It's like having a sports car with engine problems. Fix the engine and suddenly you're winning races. Next is authority building. Authority building. So, authority building. Software is fucking competitive. You need authority signals. Google determines if your content is trustworthy and authoritative before ranking it. For software development agencies, authority is especially critical because you're asking clients to trust you with mission critical projects. 3 ways to build authority: data-backed content, run surveys, share insights. Original research sets you apart in a crowded market. Survey development teams about challenges they face. Analyze project timelines across different technologies and benchmark performance metrics. Then publish these insights with your expert analysis. This type of content naturally attracts backlinks because you're providing new information no one else has. Each backlink signals Google that others see you as authoritative. Next is expert interviews with your dev team. Your developers have specialized knowledge that clients value. Create content showcasing this expertise through developer spotlights, coding tutorials, or deep dives into technical problems they've solved. This humanizes your agency by demonstrating practical expertise. Both Google and potential clients can see you have a real technical depth, not just marketing claims. Next is collaborative content with industry partners. Partner with technology vendors, industry analysts, or complementary service providers to create co-branded content. These relationships extend your reach and borrow authority from established names. For example, a case study with a major platform provider or a joint webinar with an industry analyst carries significant weight with both search engines and prospect. Remember, Google doesn't rank websites, it ranks answers. Become the best answer to your prospective clients' questions. Next is conversion optimization. So, traffic without conversion is just vanity. Getting visitors to your site is only half the battle. Converting them into leads is where many agencies struggle. Our Dev Authority framework includes multi-stage CTAs matching buyer content. Different visitors have different needs. Early stage prospects need educational resources like guides or checklists. Mid stage prospects benefit from case studies or comparison tools. Late stage prospects want consultations and assessments. Match your CTAs to where visitors are in their journey. Don't ask for marriage on the fucking first date. Social proof placement at decision points. Strategic placement of testimonials, client logos, success metrics at key decision points reduces friction. Place relevant social proof next to CTAs to address the exact concerns prospects have when deciding whether to click. Next is statement, question, resolution, content format. This powerful content structure that we use first makes a clear statement, then raises the question readers would naturally ask, then provide a satisfying resolution. This mimics the natural thought process and keeps readers engaged. For example, microservices architecture can dramatically improve scalability. That's a fucking statement. But how do you manage the increased complexity of disturbed systems? That's the question. The key is implementing proper service discovery and monitoring tools, so on and so forth. That's the resolution. Next is clear next steps in user journey. Never leave readers wondering what to do next. Each piece of content should guide them naturally to their next logical step. Whether there's another article, a downloadable resource, or a consultation request. The agencies seeing success are increasing their conversion rates from 2% or under to over 5% with these tweaks alone. That's more than doubling the results from the same traffic. So look, SEO isn't magic, it's a system. Follow these 5 steps, be patient, and measure everything. The results won't happen overnight, but they will happen if you execute consistently. If you're ready to implement this strategy but need help, grab our SEO roadmap template for software agencies. That's in the description. But I don't think I'm gonna put that. I'm just gonna put the link to this Canva doc. You guys just do your shit. It breaks down each step with specific tasks and timelines. And hey, if you find this helpful, subscribe for more actionable content on growing your software agency. Drop a comment with your biggest SEO challenge. I read every comment and might feature your question in my next video. Remember, the best time to start SEO was 2 years ago. The second best time is today. Thanks.